Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this brand new 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. This Challenger is in B5 blue pearl coat. It has the black Napa leather high performance sport seats with the Alcantara inserts. It is rear wheel drive, powered by a 6.4 liter 392 cubic inch 485 horsepower V8 engine. It's paired with a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. Does have the black fuel cap. It also has the black bumblebee stripes on the rear deck lid. "20-inch polished aluminum wheels with the black painted pockets. Also has a power sunroof, keyless enter and go, xenon high intensity discharge headlamps. Also has blind spot monitoring with cross path detection. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. Alright, to operate the keyless enter and go is easy. Just keep the key fob in your purse or pocket. To lock the vehicle, just press the black button on the top of the door handle. The vehicle will lock. To unlock, just grab the handle and open. Alrighty, so inside, we have power heated mirrors, windows, and door locks. We've also got the premium Alpine audio system. 6-way power driver's seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. The seats are heated and ventilated. Automatic headlamps with fog lamps, panel dim and ambient light dim. We've also got a power tilt and telescoping steering column. It is a perforated leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated. We've also got the Scat Pack logo embroidered in the seat back. Alright, we're going to pan through the interior, just show a little bit more detail. Leather wrap heated steering wheel. Does have controls for the 7-inch reconfigurable display, Bluetooth Uconnect, and cruise control. It is a perforated leather steering wheel. Does have the new for 2015 instrument panel. Has a tick-tock tack style gauge cluster with a 7-inch reconfigurable instrument cluster. 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Garmin base navigation system. And the controls, you can see controls for heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You've also got your power automatic dimming rearview mirror, Garmin base nav. You've also got a reverse camera by putting the vehicle in reverse. Does have adaptive guidance lines that turn with the steering wheel. Also, while in reverse, your center display will show your park sensor status as well. Alright, moving down, redundant controls for audio and climate. You've also got your button for your Super Track Pack for the performance pages, the ability to turn your parking sensors off, and your sport mode, and climate control. 6-speed manual transmission with a leather shift boot and a leather knob with aluminum accents. It is a short throw shifter. Moving down, illuminated cup holders, revised instrument or console. Does have USB inputs, auxiliary input, SD card input. You've also got auxiliary ports. Alrighty, and looking overhead, you have front map lights. You've also got your power sunroof control, home link universal garage door opener. You've also got sunglasses storage. Alright, taking a look at the rear seat. It does seat 3 across. This is a 60-40 split folding bench seat design. It does have a fold down center armrest with integrated cup holders. Alright, taking a look at the luggage area. It's very nice and spacious for this type of car. Underneath the floor mat, you've got a storage bin, spare tire inflator kit, and also the battery is located in the back for weight distribution. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.